How to export an image from Photoshop. So, you've created your brilliant advert. How do you export it so you can use it in social media? Firstly, you go to the File menu and choose Export. Then you select Save for Web. Now, you have some options to choose from. We want this to be a JPEG. For image quality, always use 100% for social media. Nowadays, optimized encoding is standard because most everyone is on broadband. Convert to sRGB. These are web-safe colors because online is always RGB. The image size is 1080 pixels because that's the size we made our canvas. 1080 is the perfect size for social media. And save. That's it. You're done. The world of social media advertising is now your plaything. So, go and play. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. Then you too can join our tribe.